Alright, this is a ninja from some studio session. Everybody have vibes. So let's vibe to it.
We don't listen every word from the fucking dance dog and tongue when I'm out of massive teeth and done them in a fucking beat and fucking gum. But a boy this is pepper to make all this fucking gun when them me and the fucking they send me up. One out of gun and them one out of gun power me and do another back with back down with the one world about. Because I hear yes I'm going to the mama who try to front of the stage and just kill the jump and told me I'm fall in the case and kill them and stop. Kill them and stop and time again and see a jump and crying. Still up the yard. Tell you by the way I'm gonna die tonight. And I can tell you by the way pretty cool sound is playing. All I got know them it's not long before them.
That was like it from the 80s. It's a whole look of vibes. I guess I saw them use the vibes at the studio back in the days. I saw them used to get them bus. You hink around until they might reach your hand and you start DJ and then somebody say, yeah, they tune the bar and yeah, put it on a record and yeah. And I like now you just voice for your friend and put it on YouTube or TikTok and it blow up. Yo, then back in the days, it is hard for them to go mainstream. Very difficult. Shout out to Ninjaman anywhere in there. Well, GP.
Phenomenon ain't no one. Fabulous Ninjaman. I tell the nation. What me say? All of us about dance, enough of them are not done Shabba. All of us about dance, enough of them are not done. Who are done? Who no better come and act Ninjaman. What kind of done? Me talking about the selective man. What kind of done? Me talking about the 90s man. What kind of done? Me talking about the Brooklyn man. Because Dana Van lick out y'all batam. Dana Van them a whole man ram. Ninjaman a hortical dan. 14 gun oh bomberas clat now.
Anybody named Donovan back in the days, but knows that they vex when Ninja perform the song. Donovan do what? Lick out girl what? Ninja best. Free Ninja.
Call me cocaine, prison body, anything you want. No, I wrote down to me. Beanie man. You what up over there? Me have a new gun, it's Yamish. But we don't that we don't vanish. They made a vanish, them astonish. And me alone have a gun where that vanish. Oh, we have a new gun, when Yamish. One we don't that we don't vanish. They made a vanish, them astonish. And me alone have a gun. Maybe in Spanish now. Me gun put up on the diamond. That me didn't want to know your name. Put it off up before me got a record. That me didn't want to know your name. Why people and sound? They sound like they still love the old man. You want to hear them? Alright. No girl can't see them. You got your side that shit. Beanie man. Who do want to hear sit now? You talk about girl can't sit down on your head. No girl can't come near my face none at all. You know why? Let me tell you something. Me love the pussy when it real tight. Sleep with me talking to him 20 night. We not even make you my go to the fight. That I keep drugging the pussy like a dandy mic. Me just want to you.
Yo! He boss him busting like a dynamite. But we Puffy up on stage. I chat about him not eat vagina. And him not touch man can't take off him underwear. Puffy, where are you prison for right now?
Me a bad man. And nobody around me can disrespect no merciless. Now no artist when me go nowhere with no artist, even if me an artist in a war, in a physical warfare, none of my friends them can diss him. You understand? I mean, no take it on a level where when it comes to music, you got this artist around me.
then and they ask me whatsoever I name. Why?
Let me tell you something.
You understand me? So
we
we protect.
Merciless now. Send me around my place and then.
Merciless, you hear me? I say no man.
14
But would you defend him the way he's defending you?
Straight, the Ninjaman that come a Clarendon and nobody can diss him around me neither.
Me bad on you everywhere, man.
You see me I say?
Make my name in a
You come a
badness.
Clarendon and my friend them a protect
Make
you
my
now.
name in a badness. Your friend, them have to bodyguard me.
Ninjaman, they are Clarendon, him have to call Merciless name and say,
Where?
yeah,
Where?
you know your place, him call me
Merciless at one
and
time,
say-
you know, say they are
and
Clarendon and I want to come kill you.
And say, where?
I want to come kill you in your yard.
Alright. For you tell them and they say,
like
where
you
me, you
go.
come see you good. You see me I
Boy,
say?
you have no need
You're
of
well
Clarendon.
protected than
Gentlemen, alright, let's switch the argument.
No, name no Clarendon.
Hold on,
No way.
boy, I am from the crowd, you see, because one of our people don't understand why we don't have a clash. So explain for me quickly, very
Alright,
quickly,
you see
because we're
me?
out of time.
Alright.
Why we have a clash? Why
I
we don't have a
want
clash?
Right now, we is bigger than the stage of clashing. But here want now, you see when I see I go into the business, the younger youth them I bring it from a level where it a blow out of proportion where somebody going to lose them life one of these days. And when me I try to make the youth them know, so we don't want another Biggie, nor Tupac, nor none of the artists them to get gunshot in a Jamaica physically because of some like an idiot thing we arrive up with them one.
Peaceful clash, the ninja say. Free up the gargan. Road. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. If you enjoy, you know what to do. Share it with your friends and family. Share it with your ex. Share it with your wife. Share it with your husband. Share it with your side man. Share it with your side girl. Share it with your baby mother. Yeah. Just share it. Because sharing is caring. I'm out.